Hey folks, guess what? Cradiac has finally dropped the bomb with their all-new 27-speed MTB. And damn, I'm super excited to hit the trails. Are you? Welcome back to Bicycle Card. This is Cradiac's all-new bike, the Storm. This 27-speed MTB has a lot of features to offer, so let's jump right into it. First things first, the Cradiac Storm features a 6061 alloy frame, which is not only durable but it is also very lightweight. The bike's striking matte black color with red text and graphics gives it a sleek and elegant look. Coupled with that, the bike comes with Zoom Masera alloy Lockout suspension. With 80 mm of travel, the bike ensures smooth and comfortable riding experience over roughest terrains. Now let's talk about the tires and rims. The 29x2.35 nylon threaded tires provides excellent traction on the roads. And the double wall alloy rims provide excellent strength, which is more than capable of handling any sorts of off-road adventure that you throw at it. Safety is crucial when you're tearing down those mountain trails. The Cradiac Storm features Logan hydraulic disc brakes for reliable stopping power. And I must say, this is Cradiac's one of the first ever MTB models ever to feature a hydraulic disc brake system. And yes, Cradiac has done a brilliant job. Additionally, the bike comes with ergonomically designed PU saddle with quick release option where you can make adjustments while riding. And also the bike comes with alloy seat posts. Now let's delve into the heart of the bicycle, that is the drivetrain. The bike is loaded with a 27-speed gear setup, having all the necessary gears to conquer any trails. The Shimano Alivio M3 shifters provide smooth and precise shifting. The front derailleur is Shimano M2000 and the rear derailleur Shimano M3 This gear set offers amazing sports performance, making sure that the bike performs well on any sorts of terrains with excellent functionality. The bike features a Shimano 9-speed cassette with a chain wheel with the teeth ratio of 40-30-22, all thanks to the Shimano Mt 101. The bike also has a Shimano bottom bracket which delivers high efficiency. You can trust the KMC chain to keep your pedaling smooth and reliable. KMC chains are known for its minimized weight, maximum performance and maximum durability. Some other notable features include alloy pedals which are reasonably lightweight while being extremely durable. The alloy stem 80 mm in length ensures a comfortable riding position. The grips are 125 mm with palm support, giving you a secure and comfortable hold even during those long rides. So there you have it folks, Cradiac Storm 27-speed MTB. With its robust build, top-notch components and attention to detail, this pure MTB beast is ready to conquer all the hills and tough. If you have any questions or suggestions, comment down below. And as always, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more cycling related updates. Until we see in the next video, this is me, Arvind from Bicycle Card signing off.